Hello and welcome. Today I'll be talking to you about the word family phonics chart. This is a great tool that all classrooms around the world should be using to make learning phonics a lot more fun for their young learners. Now let's talk about the name word family and why. We want the students to really get excited about learning and to have them imagine that all the letters are one family coming together to produce small little words. If you take a look at this chart, you'll notice that it's broken up into 5 different parts. 2 up here at the top, 2 in the middle, and 1 at the bottom. I would encourage you to use the 2 up here in the top to focus on the new lesson. For example, today we'll be learning the sound at, k, at, cat, at, hat, d, at, dat, f, at, fat, b, at, bat. Now I would encourage you to have all the students sitting in front of you and chanting along with you so they can really visualize and understand the sounds of the letters. Over here on the second part, you can use the same thing that I just did, or invite the students up and ask them for m, at, mat. Have the student come up and point to you where the sound is coming from, followed by the at. It's a lot of fun for the students and they can really visualize and understand where and why the sounds are coming from. The next section over here, I would encourage you to use for a review section of the class and also a preview. So over here would be the review. We did this last week. We learned the sound N, T, N, ten, and so forth. And next class we'll be learning the sound ache, k, ache, cake. Again, review, preview, new lesson. The last part over here is a great way to get the students to create their own sentences using the phonics that they've learned today and previously learned. For example, we have a fat cat, a rat in a hat. And over here gives you an opportunity, along with your students, to create your own. It really teaches them the comprehensiveness of the lesson. Thank you very much, and I hope this was helpful.